Welcome to Basic Embedded Systems Training. In this session, we will discuss about 8051 microcontroller addressing modes. So what is addressing mode? So addressing mode is nothing but a method that points out where the operands, that is source and destinations, are and how these operands should be accessed by the instruction. The opcode in an instruction specifies what addressing mode will be used. And 8051 supports total 5 plus 3, 8 addressing mode. So the first addressing mode is immediate addressing mode, and second addressing mode is register addressing mode, third addressing mode is direct addressing mode, fourth one is register indirect addressing mode, and fifth one is indexed addressing mode, and sixth one is absolute addressing mode, seventh one is long addressing mode, eighth one is relative addressing mode. The first addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. In this immediate addressing mode, source operand is a constant number or character, that is immediate data. If the operand is a number, we must add a hash sign before it. For example, add a comma hash 54h. So in this example, the content of 50 accumulator is added to the immediate value 54h. Okay, in second example, move R0 R6 comma hash 81h. 81h, here h is missing, so 81h. So here hash indicates that immediate value. So that 81 immediate value is loaded into R6. And next one, applications of this immediate addressing mode. For example, initialization of any variable or initialize a number of registers to 0, overwrite a constant character. In these cases, we can use this immediate addressing. And examples of immediate addressing mode. Move a comma hash 0 AFH. So here, copy the immediate data AFH to the A register. Here 0 indicates that, so the first letter, if the first letter is alphabet letter, then pass 0. Then only compiler can understood that it start with the first letter must be alphabet letter. Otherwise, which will generate error. So here 0 indicates that the first letters may be alphabet. Next one. What are the node points of immediate addressing mode? So the first node point is add hash before any immediate data. That is the first node point. And second one, only the source operand can be immediate. And third one, add h after a base 16 number, b after a base 2 number, otherwise assume base 10. And next, use single quotations to enclose any character. Last node point, precede all base 16 numbers that given with a to f by a 0. Here, if you observe here, move a comma hash abh. The first letter is alphabet letter, so that we need to pass 0 before that letter. Otherwise, which is invalid instruction. And next, register addressing mode. Second addressing mode is called as a register addressing mode. In this addressing mode, source or destination or both of them are registers located in CPU registers, that is R0 to R7 A register DPTR. For example, move a comma R5. The content of R5 is copied into accumulator register. So here both registers are, both operands are registers, so that it is register addressing mode. Second example, move R3 comma A. the content of accumulator is copied into R3 register. Here also R3 is one register, accumulator also one register, so that it is register addressing mode. And third example, add A comma R2. The content of accumulator is added to the content of R2 register. In this case also both are register. Results is defaultly loaded into accumulator. Okay, so simply in this register addressing mode, you can use both operands or registers. And what are the node points in register addressing mode? The most efficient addressing mode is register addressing mode. No need to do memory access. Instructions are much shorter. Results in terms of results, speed increased. So we can move data between accumulator and R registers. Here R registers are R0 to R7 is available, but movement of data between R registers is not allowed. It is one node point in 8051 microcontroller. That means move R4 comma R7. So here content of R7 is trying to copy it into R4 register. They both are R registers only, so that it is invalid instruction. So movement of data between these R registers are not allowed in this 8051 microcontroller. So this is one node point. To write assembly language program efficiently, we need this node point. Next, third one is direct addressing mode. Source or destination or both of them are specified by an 8-bit address field in this instruction. Use this mode to access the 128 bytes of RAM and special function registers. Already we discussed that internally 256 bytes of RAM is available. 120 from first lower 128 bytes are available for general purpose. Higher 128 bytes are reserved for special function registers. That total 256 bytes of RAM can be accessed by using this direct addressing mode. Next here, location of operand is fixed, cannot be changed when program is running, but content can be changed. We know that in memory locations are not changed, so content of that location is changed. Possibility is there in that content changing. And what are the examples for this direct addressing mode? Move ATH comma A. That indicates that copy the contents of register A to location ATH. We know that ATH location is also known as port 0. So directly you can specify that one move port 0 comma A. So move port 0 comma A can be written indirectly with the help of move ATH comma A. Okay, and next one. So here node point is no hash sign in the instruction because it is not immediate addressing mode, it is direct addressing mode. If direct addressing mode indicates that there is no hash sign. Okay, and next. Stack and direct addressing mode. Sir, what is the relation? What is the relation between stack and direct addressing mode? The only direct addressing mode is allowed for pushing onto the stack or pop from the stack. That indicates that stack supports only direct addressing mode. For example, push A, content of accumulator is trying to push into stack pointer. It is invalid instruction because stack does not support names, so that it supports only direct addressing mode in 8051 only. So instead of push A, we can use push E0H. But here E is alphabet letter, so that you can pass 0 before that E, 0E0H. Next instruction, push R3. Push R3 also invalid, so that you can replace that one push 03H. Pop R4 is also invalid, so replace that pop R4 address is 04, so that you can directly specify that 04. Okay. For example, show the code to push R5, R6, and A accumulator onto the stack, and then pop them back into R2, R3, and B register. So where register B equal to register A, R2 equal to R6, and R3 equal to R5. So assume that it is the one requirement. So for this one, solution is first push R5. R5 address is 05. So that push R5 onto the stack. Second one, push R6. R6 is address is 06. So that you can push 06, 05, 06. Okay. And next one is push content of accumulator. So here accumulator address is E0H. E is alphabet letter, so that we can pass 0 before that E. So that first push R5, R6, and A to the top of the stack. So instead of their names, you can use their addresses. Okay. Next one, what's the problem here given? So content, first one is where B equal to register A. We know that always the stack pointer follows either first in last out or last in first out. So that here also same 8051 supports that one only. So that here whatever the last in, that is first out. So last in is last in. What is the last in? Last in is A accumulator. That accumulator is copied into B register here. So that first pop F0H. The last one is E0. So that is called as A register content. So that is loaded into F0. The second last one is R6. So that is copied into R2. So pop R2 address is 02H. And next one, last one. So last in first out. So last one is R5. So R5 is copied into R3 with the help of pop 03H. So here 2 points, node points. One is nothing but stack supports direct addressing mode only. It is 1 point. And second one, 8051 stack supports last in first out, or we can say that first in last out. Okay. So what are the node points of direct addressing mode? The address value is limited to 1 byte only because 8051 microcontroller supports 256 bytes of memory. So internal RAM, so that is from 00H to FFH. So it is divided into lower 128 bytes and higher 128 bytes. Lower 128 bytes of RAM and higher 128 bytes of RAM is called as a special function register. And second one, for this RAM contents, use move to move data from itself to itself can lead to unpredictable results. That indicates that move content of accumulator to content of accumulator, that creates an error. So move within the same register is not supporting. Okay. And second one, move data to a port changes the port latch. Move data to a port changes the port latch. So these are the node points in direct addressing mode. Okay. So this is about addressing modes, or remaining addressing modes we will cover in next session.